Hey there, fellow investors. Have you ever wondered if you can open a second Robinhood account to separate your trading strategies or manage different portfolios? Today, I'm breaking it all down for you in this quick guide. First things first, let's talk about why you might want to do this. A second account can help you keep your day trading separate from long-term investments, or even test out new ideas without messing up your main setup. But remember, Robinhood has rules in place, so always check their terms to make sure you're compliant. Multiple accounts are allowed, but they might flag suspicious activity. Now, let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Ensure you have a new email address and phone number ready, as you'll need these to create a fresh account. Don't try to reuse your existing ones, or you could run into verification issues. Head over to the Robinhood website or app. It's super straightforward. Once you're there, click on Sign Up and enter your new details. You'll be prompted to provide basic information like your name, date of birth, and address. Next up, verify your identity. Robinhood requires this for security reasons, so have your ID handy, like a driver's license or passport. Upload it through the app, and they'll review it quickly. After that, link a bank account or debit card to fund your new account. This is crucial for deposits and withdrawals, so double-check that everything matches to avoid delays. One important tip: be mindful of Robinhood's policies on multiple accounts. If you're opening a second one for legitimate reasons, you're good, but avoid any actions that could look like you're trying to game the system. Once your account is approved, you can start exploring features like stocks, options, or crypto, just like your first account. Wrapping this up, opening a second Robinhood account is pretty simple if you follow the rules. It's a great way to diversify your investing approach, but always prioritize security and compliance. If you have any questions or run into issues, reach out to Robinhood's support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more finance tips. Let's keep building that wealth together. See you next time.